Hello friends, I hope you all are fine. So today is our first video of our new course of Adobe Photoshop. So let's open the Adobe Photoshop. So here is the interface. These are all the projects that I have already opened.
When you press the option create new, a new panels appear in front of you. It allows you to create your new canvas of your size and your choice.
This default Photoshop size that gives us, and you can also create your own size of canvas. Here is the width you can adjust, here is the height, and here is the panels. Here is the option in which format you want: pixels, inches, centimeters, meters. Mostly use pixel, and I also recommend you to use pixels. And so here is the color mode. It is now RGB. RGB stands for red, green, blue colors, and it allows all the colors to appear on your canvas. But here is grayscale, also CMYK. These are few colors. Bitmap means that it just use black colors, and grayscale just show gray colors, and RGB show all colors you use. CMYK create. Here is the color option. You can select any color. I always use white color and then press create. This is the full look of our Photoshop. This is the interface. This is the interface of Photoshop. It is similar to Adobe Illustrator if you use it before. Here is the tool panel. Here is the color swatches, gradients, patterns, layers, channels, paths, everything. We discuss everything in this course. So you can also change the panel according to your design, according to your style. Here, if by default your tools are disappear and move away, don't be panic and don't. Just go to Window, Workspace, and reset Essentials. It gives you the good, complete new look of Photoshop. So I hope you like the interface and everything